look at that. I flipped this dryer over. I don't know what these are. It's like a, I don't know, maybe one of those, like for the Midway at a fair or something. But yeah, oh, there's a nail. Oh, whoa, 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 look at, oh, there's a toonie. Well, I guess I better get my screw gun out here and get this back off. I don't want to lose anything. Well, sometimes it's worth picking stuff up for free. Okay, the dryer is empty. First and foremost, there's an old paper $10 bill. I don't even remember when we had paper. I mean, I don't think it was that long ago, but I don't even know where you find the date on these. 2001. $10. There's a bunch of these, like, I don't know if they're Midway tickets or no cash value, and it's got like a clown. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a bunch of those. Loonies. There's a bunch of screwies in there too. 6. Token. Tokens. Toonie, so there's $8. $10. So there's $20 already. Another token. $22. This one says game token. Spruce Land Family Fun Center. Never heard of that. But there's 3. There's a, what I'm guessing is like a 38. Oh, maybe it goes in this. What's this one? That's a 40 cal Winchester. No, that's a bit smaller. Probably like a 38 or something like that. Okay, so we're at 23, 24, 25, oh, 27, another token, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so there's $30 in cash, so that more than makes up for the time and effort of getting them. Yeah, there's probably another $2 in small change. I don't know what these are worth. Like, I know that says no cash value, but I don't know. I guess I'll have to find out where Spruce Land is, and then we'll Maybe if we ever go by there, we'll stop in and play some games or something. A nail. What else? I remember there was something else. Some sort of a little pin. No, that's mine. Oh, there's another quarter. So, yeah, there's about $2 more on top of whatever I said was here because I forget already. But pretty awesome. Okay, on a recount, it's $30.55 plus 10 of those tokens. I had thrown 2 of those in the loony pile because, well, I mean, really, they do look alike. So anyways, yeah, $30.55, and whenever I find out where Spruce Land is, some rides or something, we'll see. So thank you, Joseph. Thank you for reminding me that I did not post this yet. I don't know how I didn't post it. I was so excited when it happened. But I still have that money. It's in my dryer change jar. So I'm hoping that this one, when I open it up this morning, will be... Or sorry, not this one. The next one, when I open it up this morning, will be more than this one. But this happened months ago, like probably July.